You're welcome to Green Nigeria.
Welcome to Green Nigeria. My name is Meshach, yager. We're still right here.
Okay, you're welcome to your number one and authentic program on radio. It's Green Nigeria Radio Show, and today we'll be telling you about the advantages of GMO. Yesterday we told you about the disadvantages, and today we'll give you the advantages. Okay, we'll list some of them out, and like we promised yesterday that we'll bring a resource person who will tell us more about GMO. We'll be bringing the country director of Open Forum on Agricultural Biotechnology and a director here with the Nigerian Biotechnology Agency, NABDA. She will be telling us more on the advantages of going the GMO way. Okay, I think that's fair enough. Okay, so for the people who stick strictly to organic, thumbs up. And the people who want to invest and go the fast lane, GMO, at the end of the day, only time will tell. This is Green Nigeria Radio Show. It's tourism, it's agriculture, and my name is Meshach Yagi. Let's go on this quick break, and when we come back, we'll be playing you a track up from Dr. Rose Gidado.
You're welcome to Green Nigeria.
How can we access GMO seeds?
You can access GMO seeds when the commercialization time starts, especially that of cowpea, that's the beans.
Okay.
Beginning from next year.
Okay.
Because it's not yet approved for commercial release.
Okay.
It's only the National Varietal Release Committee of Nigeria. That's the only secretariat that has that mandate to grant commercial release of crops in Nigeria.
So it has not.
So it's not yet, but it's been actually approved for environmental release by the National Biosafety Management Agency, which is the agency that is saddled with the responsibility to ensure that genetically modified organisms, be it plants, animals, or foods, are safe to the environment, they are safe to humans, and then they are also safe to animals. In fact, Nigeria is the first country to actually develop. Well, other countries are developing, but Nigeria is the first, to actually certify the safety to reach this level. There's no any other country in the world that has genetically modified beans. No, it's not now beans. Okay, but for other crops, yes, there are. Okay. We have maize, we have cotton, we have canola, we have papaya.
Yeah, because I think South Africa is doing something already.
Yes, even rice is not yet ready. Rice is getting ready, but I don't think it's ready for commercialization.
So the issue of finding GMO seeds.
It takes years actually. The genetically modified foods go through a lot of scrutiny. I mean, regulation is highly regulated. It's the most regulated. Highly regulated. Commodity, regulated food or crops in the history of mankind. Genetic modification had been going on for years. For years, even naturally,
yes.
When man started selecting crops, this selective breeding and what, it's all genetic modification because there are exchange of genes. Genetic modification is all about exchange of genes for you to have what you want, good traits, for you to have good traits.
Okay, talking about what are the new unexpected effects and health risk posed by genetic engineering. One on the list is toxicity, allergic reactions, antibiotic resistance, cancer, and loss of nutrition. Okay, 6 potential human health concerns about GMOs. Genetically engineered foods are different from other foods. Genetic engineering allows for the first time foreign genes, bacterial and viral vectors viral promoters and antibiotic marker systems to be engineered into food.
And biotechnology is not just, it started a long time ago, but these days we have what we call modern biotechnology, which of course has to do with, interspecies, picking genes from an unrelated species of crop because it has a trait that you want. If you want to have a drought tolerant crop, you want to be able to plant a particular crop which is rain fed like maize in a place like in an arid zone like Maiduguri and so on and so forth. Sorghum is a drought tolerant crop. So people in Maiduguri are not able to plant maize because of the condition there. But if they want to have, of course you can pick the gene from sorghum. That gene, there's something responsible for sorghum to be able to withstand drought. So you identify it and then take the gene because they are all biological materials.
Are there external substance put into this experiment?
Of course. There are things that you work with in the lab that will actually help you to achieve what you want to achieve.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. But those things, of course, they are not, outside, because even within the cells, there are chemicals in our cells, in our systems. The minerals that we have, most of them are chemicals, and we need them for good maximum for functionality of our own systems. You need those minerals. Most of them are chemicals. And that is it, the minerals and vitamins which are needed in our bodies. So even the body system needs, but we need them in minimal quantity. Okay. That's just it. So I can now pick the gene from sorghum, put it in maize, so I'll be able to have my maize planted in Maiduguri so that people around that area will be able to grow variety of crops.
Okay, so
You're welcome to Green Nigeria.
There's one key thing again I would like to add, that GM products cannot be preserved and replanted next season. Once you buy a GM seed this season, you have to rely on buying another seed again next planting season. I think that's key, and a lot of people who are vying for these GM products should know that once GM is all over, it's like a trap. You no longer have the leverage of getting your seeds, planting, preserving some, and harvesting, keeping some for the next planting season, and you continue your cycle of planting and harvesting. Okay, you have to rely solely on the GM people and the people who sell GM seeds. So take this into cognizance and make a choice.
You're welcome to Green Nigeria.
All right, you heard it. That was Dr. Rose Gidado. That has been the program for today. Don't forget to click, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the notification bell, and you will get all our notifications whenever we bring up anything new on the program. Don't forget, if you are interested in tourism, if you're interested in agriculture, then this is your hub, okay? Here we say tourism, agriculture, progress, okay? My name is Meshach Yager. See you tomorrow. Stay out of trouble so our paths can cross. Bye-bye.
You're welcome to Green Nigeria.